Memphis, what are you doing? Memphis is like, guys, there's chicken up here and I would like it. Alright, you guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Snow Dogs. What are we making today, guys?
Chicken puffs.
Chicken puffs. Something we've never tried making before. So you are watching us attempt this for the first try here, and hopefully they're good. Chicken, Crescent Rolls and stuff. We're gonna get all that stuff together though. Boom! That would be awesome if it would just, camera magic would go boom! And make it right there.
But then you miss all the excitement
that
of
is
us
true.
making it. Like, somebody's got to open this. Come on. Who doesn't love opening these?
Me. Don't open it yet. We're not ready yet.
It's right here.
We're not ready yet. Don't do it. Not ready. Don't do it.
Okay,
Yeah, wait.
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 Just hit it hard on the counter.
Don't do it. No. Just wait. So the first thing we are going to do is preheat the oven to 350. You see that? Well, now it says 100, but it's preheating to 350, I swear. Alright, so we are making chicken puffs. We're going to go through all the ingredients you're going to need. The first thing we're going to need is Crescent Rolls. Now you guys can go ahead and tell them everything else they're going to need.
3 ounces of cream cheese.
So 3 ounces of cream cheese.
3 tablespoons of melted butter.
Alright.
2 tablespoons of milk.
Okay.
2 cups of cubed chicken.
And we're actually using a rotisserie chicken. You can either cook the chicken ahead of time or use leftover chicken. That's one of the best things about a recipe like this, is you can use leftover chicken from the night before.
We got some crushed up croutons.
And these don't go in the bowl. These go on after.
Yes.
And we have some broccoli in there, but that goes on after as
And
well.
there's salt and pepper also.
Oh yeah.
We're going to start.
We're going to mix all this stuff together. So the cream cheese.
Chicken. The milk. The butter.
Let's get some butter in there.
And then salt and pepper
Salt
goes in
and
there.
Yep.
How much salt and pepper?
It's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper.
So you can either measure it if you want to, or you can be like a real cook and just shake it in there.
That's about it. And then about half as much salt. Just a little
There you go. That's enough. There you go. All right, now we're gonna stir all that together.
Yeah, you're going to have to press that cream cheese a little bit.
What do you girls think? They're like, we can smell the chicken. You should quick pull them each out a piece of chicken before it gets too much peppers on it.
Hey, Memphis.
She's like, well, wait, me?
Hey, get your paws down. Sit.
Oh.
Very nice.
Are you under there, Shelby? Are you under there? She's looking. She's like, can you just reach down here and give me some chicken? Shelby got some chicken.
Oh, hi, Oakley.
And Oakley's like, oh man, do I get a chicken? Oakley says, I get a chicken too. There you go.
What do you think? Is that good?
See? That's the benefit of when we cook things you guys can have. Shelby's like, I know, I'm waiting right here for stuff to fall.
You can see her.
So that's about what it's going to look like when it's all stirred up. And now we are going to prepare the Crescent Rolls.
Oh, Memphis, hi.
All right. Memphis is like, what is that? Can I eat it?
Hey.
You get your paws off the counter.
Alright.
All right, you're going to pop it open?
Nope.
You're gonna have to bump it.
Oh no!
And get dipping.
No!
Bump it on the edge.
No!
Right here, right around.
Memphis is like, no.
Right on the line.
Oh man. Oh! I hate that. I absolutely hate that.
Really?
Yeah, I hate it. It always makes me jump every time.
That's why I buy biscuits instead of making them.
So Crescent Rolls are normally in these little triangle shapes, but instead of separating them at the triangles, we're going to separate them so they're 4 squares. Semi-rectangular squares.
I'm gonna get a knife and make this.
Paul?
Make sure they stay together there.
Yep, that's what it said to do. So see where this line is, you're going to want to pinch it together to make sure it stays together. Hi Shelby, I see you down there. Okay, so we've kind of divided all of our chicken mixture into 4 even scoops. We're going to scoop it onto each of these Crescent Rolls. Greg is over there cutting up some broccoli. Shelby is waiting ever so patiently for some broccoli to fall.
She had broccoli?
don't give it to her if it's hot. I don't know if she'll eat broccoli. She won't eat raw broccoli, so, you know, she's Shelby, so she's picky. The broccoli is optional. If you don't like broccoli, she ate the broccoli, I saw that. If you don't like broccoli, you don't have to put it on there, but we all like broccoli, so we're gonna put it on there. So Greg's cutting that up. Jamie's making sure these are all pretty even. That one looks a little fuller than that one.
Yep.
Now comes the, well, I guess not yet. We gotta wait for the broccoli. We gotta put the broccoli on it before we can fold it all together.
Ready?
Yep. I'm gonna add some broccoli, each of them. Just a little bit. They don't need a ton. Broccoli's good for you, right?
Yeah.
Mmm, broccoli.
Especially the steamed broccoli.
Mmm, broccoli. What do you think, Shelby?
Yeah, just gotta do 4.
Oakley's like, I'll take that piece of broccoli. Oh, you won't take it from me, but you take it from Greg? Oh, she did take it. She's like, oh, I'll take that piece of broccoli. Memphis, would you like a piece of broccoli? Oh, man. You guys are going to smell like broccoli. All right, while the butter is melting, we're kind of going to fold these together. Now, what it says to do is take all 4 corners and kind of fold them together. Greg, you got a big gap over here.
Yep, you're gonna have to work around the whole outside.
Yours definitely looks like yours is that. I think Jamie's got it. You nailed it, Jamie.
Yep.
Yeah, see that little edge should come up towards the top, I think.
This?
Yep. This, I believe, is what they are supposed to look like. Pretty easy.
Yeah.
A lot easier than I thought. Now we're melting a little bit more butter, and we're going to brush them with a little bit of butter. And then we're going to sprinkle some crushed croutons. And I'm using the garlic butter croutons from Meyer. That looks pretty good. Alright, brush them with a little bit of butter. And then sprinkle them with some croutons.
Yeah, that's gonna be more effective.
Yeah, that'll probably work a little better. There you go. They look adorable. They really do.
Butter.
Oh, that crouton didn't get crushed.
Right. There's a little bit more crush down here.
How long do we put them in the oven for?
25 to 30 minutes.
Is that what it says?
Yep.
Alright, so now that we are done with this, we're going to put them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes.
Until they get golden brown.
They'll be nice and brown, and they should puff up a little bit. Hence the name, right?
Yep.
Into the oven they go. You ready to pull them out?
I think I am.
You have to back up.
Yep. Do you see the reflection?
Alexis, stop.
You have to back up. Alright, Greg, you guard the dogs. I got this dog. Oh,
Far
man.
enough to keep your nose out of the oven?
I think they are, but it
Yep.
still makes me
No,
nervous.
that's perfect.
Look at how amazing that looks. Oh,
Can we
man.
eat them now?
You would probably burn your face off.
Yeah, you might want to wait 5 minutes.
Nothing I haven't done before.
So we're going to let them sit here for a good probably 3 to 5 minutes so they can kind of just settle, and then we get to do the fun thing and try them. That's the best part about this channel. We get to eat food. All right, we'll let them sit there. So we're trying to figure out how we want the
cut a little
photos
more
to
here.
look. So we figured we'd cut one open and see what it looks like in the middle.
Oops, I pushed it. I guess either way I can.
That looks
What
pretty
do you
dang
guys think,
good.
huh?
That looks pretty
You want the
good.
other ones behind that?
Nope, I like the picture with the other picture we took.
Okay.
That looks good. I think it's time to try it.
So, this reminds me of your casserole,
Broccoli, cheese, and rice?
the chicken, broccoli, cheese, and rice. Yes, it reminds me of that casserole dish that you make, but wrapped in a
man.
delicious crescent roll. I mean, this is just
That's really good.
Wow.
It's like a chicken pot pie.
a
So
homemade.
I think the only thing I would
No,
change,
she makes a chicken pot pie that's actually really good.
I think the only thing I would change is I would actually take the broccoli and cut it up and just mix it all together. Instead of just putting the little bit on the top.
I don't know, it might be a lot of broccoli. I get a
like-
broccoli and eat, right.
I
I
might
guess it
put,
depends on
instead
how
of
much
broccoli,
you do.
carrots and peas.
Oh,
And then you're making a
piece.
whole pot pie.
No, it's a chicken puff. It's a chicken puff.
Yeah.
Wow, I could sit here and eat this whole thing.
This is a.
I guess that's the point, though. This is amazing.
It was really good.
Well, as always, you guys, if you end up making this, tag us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Let us know how yours turned out. This is awesome. And we've never made this before.
No.
But I'm definitely making this again.
No,
This
that
is
is-
great.
You need to mark this one in that cookbook.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I definitely do. Oh, it's so and the crunchiness. I feel rude talking with my mouth full.
But it's hard to
That's a
stop
good
eating
bite.
it.
So hard. Okay, we're gonna end this video so we can enjoy our food, even though you guys are almost done. If you guys are new to this channel and you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big. We will see you again soon. Let us know down in the comments below. What do you want to see us make next? Timer's done. Biscuits are done. You'll see that video another time.
Yay, biscuits!
Bye.